Hey everybody, just doing a real quick review of the Suntoll solar lights. This is an outdoor motion sensing security light. Opening up the package, you'll see we'll have a manual and then the light itself. We have the two holes for mounting. It's nice that they go all the way through so it's easy to mount. Here we are outside. We have it just up against the siding so it gets a few hours of sunlight during the day and will lighten up the entrance as it senses that motion. So let's see what it looks like at night. Just going to turn it on real quick to see how bright it is and give you guys a inside look at it before you might want to purchase this. So it's plenty bright, it looks really good, it's not too bright, it's a nice flood. Overall, great light to me. Thanks for watching, have a great day.